Hello, healthy U-Hub family. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dental health. I've got 7 secrets dentists don't want you to know. Oh, and stick around. I've got a surprise product that could redefine your oral health routine. 1. Regular dental visits are not always about cavities. You might think, I brush daily, so why the frequent checkups? Well, these visits are more than just cavity checks. They're about ensuring your gums are healthy, checking for early signs of potential problems, and providing thorough cleaning that brushing at home might miss. 2. Flossing might be even more important than brushing. Brushing is a must, no doubt. But flossing? It's the unsung hero. While brushing cleans the surface of your teeth, flossing removes food particles and debris between teeth and below the gum line, places where your toothbrush can't reach. Neglecting this step could lead to tartar buildup and gum diseases. 3. Overbrushing can be harmful. There's something as too much of a good thing, and brushing is no exception. Overbrushing, especially with a hard toothbrush, can erode your enamel. This not only makes teeth sensitive but also more susceptible to cavities. 4. Sugar isn't the only enemy. Sure, candies are culprits, but there are sneakier enemies. Acidic foods and beverages like citrus fruits and sodas can weaken and erode enamel. After consuming them, it's wise to wait before brushing or at least rinse your mouth with water. 5. Mouthwash isn't always the solution. Mouthwashes promise fresh breath, but did you know some might kill the good bacteria your mouth needs? It's about balance. And speaking of balance, let me introduce you to ProDentim. Your mouth is a complex ecosystem. Bad bacteria are obvious enemies, but we also have allies in good bacteria. ProDentim is packed with 3.5 billion probiotic strains, specifically Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium strains. These probiotics help maintain oral health by balancing out harmful bacteria. Add to that, ProDentim contains unique herbs and plants, each chosen for their benefits for teeth and gums. Imagine having a product that might help delay your next dentist appointment. Sounds amazing, right? To revolutionize your dental routine with ProDentim, click the official link in our description and also in the comment box. Don't let this secret slip away. 6. Whitening products can be tricky. A bright smile is tempting, but caution. Many over-the-counter whitening products can strip enamel and cause sensitivity. Always research and opt for products that are both safe and effective. 7. Dental health affects your overall health. Did you know? Poor oral health has been linked to heart diseases, diabetes, and other health issues. So, when you're taking care of your mouth, you're taking care of your whole body. So there you have it, the 7 secrets laid bare. Remember, knowledge is power. And if you wish to supercharge your oral care, don't forget about ProDentim. Click the link in the description or the comment box below to get yours.